businesses pay their taxes. Hey YouTube, it's Alaska here with another video. And this video is about don't be afraid to file your taxes. First of all, friends, woosah, calm down. It's not scary. Just relax. In my experience, it's something you got to get done. You want to get it done. We're not going to jail here, so let's get it done. But the first thing I want to say, when you are preparing your taxes, you're going to need QuickBooks. You're going to need some type of program or software that's going to manage your expenses. It's very important. I know some people don't use QuickBooks. Some people don't use any management software, but that's fine for them. But for me, I need a management system. And I will let you guys know it's important, especially if you're first starting out, that you have a management system that keep your finances in order while you're running their business. Because to me, it's a lot going on in my business. A lot of times I don't have time to sit down and look at all the receipts, add and subtract, whatever. But if you were to subscribe to QuickBooks, it does it all for you. It connects to your account. So every time you swipe your card, it comes right out and it categorizes it for you. So that, to me, helps out a lot when you're an entrepreneur, when you're a business owner. So also my suggestion is get 2 business accounts. 2. One for taxes and one for your business expenses. So every single month, well, every single week I do, but you can do it every single month. You put money into that bank account, your tax bank account, and you just keep loading money in there. By the end of the year, you should have some money in there to be able, after you estimate all your income and what you think you're going to need to pay, you'll have the money. So that's my suggestion. Also, hire an accountant. You're gonna need one because, hey, I'm not great at math, and I know a lot of you aren't either. So hire someone to do the job for you. From what I learned in my experience, if I don't know how to do it, if it seems like complicated to me, hire someone to do it. It gets it done right, number one, and you can solely focus on your business, other things that you need to do. So hire someone to get it done for you. Also, what's very important when you're going to file your taxes is to make sure your expenses, your business expenses, don't intersect with your personal expenses. So my suggestion is to go get a business account and have a ATM credit card, whatever, specifically for your business account. And that is the account you solely use for any expenses within your business. That is so important to do. That will be my advice when you're first starting out. Also, separate your expenses from your personal expenses. It makes it a lot easier, especially if you're going to hire an accountant. This will be one of my secrets to how you prepare for your taxes. I suggest 3 months ahead of basically the end of the year, you calculate your income that you made the entire year, and you estimate what you're going to make or what you earn during that year. And once you estimate that, you can estimate how much you're going to need to pay. Now, as far as the last 3 months of the year, at a certain time, you will know what your average is monthly. And basically you add up what your average is every single month, and you can actually figure out basically how much your income is for that year, and including the last 3 months. Just average that out. And then you'll know how much that you'll need to pay in taxes. Also, during those last 3 months, you can start preparing yourself, putting money away, putting money into an account. Keep all your receipts, all the receipts that you get when you go shopping. You want to keep all of those receipts. Scan them, put them in a file somewhere, lock and key, when you need them. Now, you may not need them right away, but just in case you need them someday, you got them. all the receipts. Trust me, do that. So hopefully this helps you, but do not be afraid to file your taxes. Man up, woman up, it's your job. If you're going to own a business, if you're going to be an entrepreneur, that's what it's about. It's about taking ownership of what your business is all about. And what your business is also about is paying your taxes. Treat it like a real business. Thank you for watching.